The wait is officially over. The Insta360 X6 has dropped, with listings going live on Best Buy right on its August 12th launch date. But with a massive price shift shaking up the market, everyone is asking the same question. How does it stack up against what's coming from DJI with the Osmo 360 Mark II? Today, we're putting the official numbers head-to-head to see if the massive price gap is actually justified. Let's start with the pricing structure, because this is where things get controversial. Standard bundle, priced at $699.99. Essentials bundle, priced at $769.99. Historically, Insta360 bumped its flagship pricing by a predictable $50 each generation. From the X3, $449, to the X4, $499, and the X5, $549. The X6 completely shatters that trend, leaping by $150 over its predecessor. That is 3 times the usual increase, making it the biggest price hike in the series history. So, what are you getting for that extra cash? Sensors and video, upgraded dual 1/1.1-inch square custom Sony sensors paired with a powerful triple-chip AI architecture, unlocking true 8K at 50 frames per second alongside native Dolby Vision and 10-bit color. Battery and build. A larger 2,600 mAh extreme battery, pushing up to 140 minutes of runtime at 8K per 30 frames per second. A more compact body and replaceable lenses 2.0. Now let's flip over to the DJI side. While the current Osmo 360 remains a fierce competitor, all eyes are on the upcoming Osmo 360 Mark II. Expected pricing estimates place the base combo roughly between $450 and $500, with fully loaded creator packages sitting under $550 to $600. This leaves a massive $200 gap on the base tier between the X6 standard and DJI's expected offering. Even when looking at top-tier bundles, the X6 Essentials sits roughly $170 to $220 higher than DJI's projected creator combo, all while matching or exceeding core technical specifications. My personal take, the X6 feels heavily overpriced for what it delivers on a generational upgrade cycle. When you factor in that previous batteries, cases, and legacy accessories are not cross-compatible, upgrading from an X4 or X5 becomes a tough pill to swallow. DJI's upcoming hardware presents a far more balanced financial value, but regional hurdles and availability continue to complicate things for buyers looking for alternatives. What do you think of the X6 steep $699 starting price? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more tech breakdowns and hit that like button if this video helped guide your upgrade path.